All right, today we're going to be learning 6 new sight words. Now your sight words are going to be the first page in your new packet. So right here. It says this week's sight words, and there is not supposed to be an apostrophe there, so just ignore that. So here we have all 6 sight words. So if you want to go back and practice them throughout the week, you can do that. You should get your little flashcards or words for your sight word wall that was in your packet, so you can do whatever you do with those words. So if you put them on a sight word wall, you can do that. If you make them as flashcards, you can do that as well. So just make sure you keep checking on these words and practicing them throughout the week. So the 6 sight words that we are going to be learning this week are, the first word is green. Can you say green? Good job. Now go ahead and spell green with me. Ready? G-R-E-E-N. Green. And do you notice that green has our long E sound that we're working on this week? The next word is the word grow. Go ahead and say the word grow. Great job. Now spell grow with me. G-R-O-W. Grow. The next word is pretty. Can you say the word pretty? Good. Let's spell pretty. P-R-E-T-T-Y. Pretty. Our next word is should. Do you notice it has our sh digraph in the front? Can you say the word should? Great. Let's spell should. S-H-O-U-L-D. Should. Our next word is long. It's the word together. Can you say together? Good. Let's spell together. T-O-G-E-T-H-E-R. Together. Now, just a trick really quick. When I am sounding out the word together, or if I even need to put it in different, or chunk it up when I'm reading it, I like to see that there are 3 different actual words in the word together. So there's the word to, get, and at the end there is her. So when I'm remembering to write it, I remember to get her, together. Now our last word of the week is the word water. Can you say water? Great. Let's spell water. W-A-T-E-R. Water. Now, make sure you head to your packet. You're going to be looking for the page that looks like this, right under Monday. The I Spy page. Now you can see on here, you have all the words we just learned. Green, grow, pretty, should, together, and water. So you've done these I Spy pages before. You're going to find all of our words and color in the whole box. We have a hidden sight word in this page. So remember the trick. If you want to make sure you don't miss any, go ahead and go all the way across, just like if you were reading, and you can fill them in as you find them. So once you're done, go ahead and take a picture of your secret word and send it to me.